Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a Milwaukee tool, so please stick around, check out the video, and I will see you there. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, so you guys watched me unbox this earlier. I'm not going to unbox it again, I'll just take it out. But this one I will unbox. And just going to be a quick look inside. Hoping to keep the video pretty quick. I'm not doing any reviews. I will review these items later down the road. Wrenches, some pamphlets, information, that's it. Alright. So it came with the bare tool. Came with a 11/16 wrench and a 1/2" wrench. And that's odd. There it goes. It's a little tight. One, two, three, and four. So 1, 2, 3. And 4. Light on the bottom, it's nice and bright. Indicators on the side. So it's just a quick little unboxing and look. Not really sure why it's so tight though. Well, it fits nice though. That's what comes in the bare tool. Again, this is part number 2485-20, 1/4" right angle die grinder. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Comments, criticisms down below. Appreciate your guys' time, and thank you for watching, and go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.